If you own a 2004 to 2006 GTO, you know exactly where the interior starts falling apart first. That sad, peeling shift knob and boot. This new leatherette replacement claims to bring back that factory-fresh feel, but can it handle the abuse of a T56? We're looking at the 6-speed manual T56 shift knob and boot, specifically designed for the GTO. The first thing you notice is the aesthetic upgrade. The leatherette material, paired with that aggressive red stitching, instantly elevates the center floor area. It's a huge visual improvement over the cracked, sun-baked OEM piece most of us are dealing with. This is built to meet high industry standards, which is reassuring, ensuring reliable and consistent performance once installed correctly. But let's talk about the installation reality, because there is a critical piece of advice here. The manufacturer explicitly recommends applying silicone to keep the knob from spinning on the shifter. This is not a suggestion you should ignore. If you skip this step, you might find yourself fighting the knob during aggressive shifts, which is definitely not what you want when rowing through the gears of a T56. It's a small extra step, but absolutely essential for long-term, reliable performance. Now, a key detail to remember. This package replaces the worn knob and the boot, using part numbers LMP1316 and LMP1305, but it does not include the retainer bezel, which is listed separately as LMP1318. You'll need to reuse your existing bezel or source a new one separately to complete the installation. For those looking for a direct, high-quality replacement that restores the interior look without breaking the bank, this setup is fantastic, provided you follow that silicone recommendation. It's a necessary maintenance item for these cars, and this kit delivers a sharp, functional solution that truly makes the interior feel fresh again.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.